Hey guys, it's Renee. Welcome to this phone case back to school DIY. So for this one, the first thing that I need is a phone case. I'm pretty much recycling the only one that I've been using for the past months. That's why it looks like gross and with leftover paint all over it. So I'm just going to be painting this again with my white acrylic paint and my brush. And I'm just going to cover the whole thing, giving this a few coats until it's opaque enough and white enough. It's acrylic, by the way, because it's used and well loved. It's not transparent anymore. And so because I want my white to be as opaque as I can make it to be, I'm just going to be applying 4 coats this one took me. And I'm just going to be covering the whole thing, front, back, everything else. And to let it dry, I'm going to be using this plastic caps that I bought at Walmart, but you can use anything as long as you can place your phone case on top of it. Once it's done and dry, I'm going to be taking a couple of Sharpies. I'm using this pink one and this blue one. They don't have a name of them, so this is just like the all information I can give you. But it's pink and it's this blue that has some green undertones to it. It's a fine point. I'm just going to be taking my ruler and I'm just going to start those lines. To be honest, I'm just placing them by eye, like I'm not measuring the distance between one line and the one below it. I'm just doing it kind of like how I feel it looks better. And yeah, I'm just going to be covering the whole thing. I'm just going to be taking my blue Sharpie and I'm just going to be adding a line on the left. And yeah, this is what it looks like on its own. Here I'm just giving you some options on things that you can write on that. You can go like classic, write back to school. If you're into trends and hashtags, you can do this kind of thing. School slays, school ready, let's do this. And yeah, things like that. Or if you're more into like motivational phrases, you can write this kind of thing. Here's like a School Rocks one, I Heart School. This is pretty much up to you and your personal taste, whatever you feel like writing. But I went for the School Rocks because I feel like it does. I feel like school is that time of life where you are going to make your lifetime friends. People that you meet at school are going to be like the friends that you're going to hang out pretty much your adult life. I mean, nowadays you can learn things from the internet. It's pretty easy. You just have to search for something and there you go. But to have a teacher that guides you and to have like classmates to just share opinions, inspire you, or just grow with you is pretty priceless to me, and that's why I chose this one. Obviously, a lot of people struggle with school. Don't worry, hang in there. It's gonna get better. It's just a phase. It's just something that will pass. Try to give the best of yourself that you can give. Try to learn as much as you can. Try to make as many friends as you can. I don't have a good writing at all. Hopefully you have a better writing than I do. Yeah, I'm just going to be placing my phone case back on my phone. But yeah, this is pretty much the idea that I wanted to share. Hopefully you are excited to go back to school. I don't go to school anymore, but I went to school. The only advice that I can give you is just take advantage of the opportunities that you have, classes that you have, classmates that you have. Remember, school is a good opportunity that some people don't have. So if you do have the opportunity, just give yourself 100%. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this idea. It's really easy to make, to be honest. If you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more stuff, and don't forget to share it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you on Saturday, and take care. Bye guys.